Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add a drop-down menu in Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser and I just type some project detail in my Google Docs. So this is my Google Docs. My Google Docs has the project detail and employee name and employee number and project status are there. So now I just want to create a drop down whether the project is started or progressing or completed or blocked, everything I have to do. So what I have to do here, the Google Docs itself given the option called drop down menu. So how to identify, how to find out? On top you will find a menu bar. Just go to insert. So where you want a drop down menu, keep the cursor there and go to insert menu. You will find an option called drop down. Just choose the drop down. There will be a default drop down will be there, that is called for project status. So project status has the drop down not started, blocked, in progress, complete. Whether I can edit or change, yes you can. I just click here, the project status will be added over here. So you can find out the drop down will be here. So I can find out blocked, in progress, completed. If you want add and edit option, you can have access because the defaultly they have given the drop down option. I just click here for the add and thing. I just click here, so not given the option or not no options I can give for them or any other status I can give. So blocked means reject I can give. So similarly in progress and complete I can give the color according to my need and what are the options I want. I just click here for the customize to change the colors options, for example. So I can choose a darken color so that people can understand. So click and save. So reject, in progress and complete will be there. So I just select for the reject option. So I just select for the another table. I just want to give some kind of drop down. Use the cursor and go to insert and drop down and choose the drop down as a project status. Similarly, use each and every cells your project status should be there. So just go to insert and drop down, you will get an option called the project details. For example, you want to create a new drop down. What you have to do here? So I just delete the entire drop down. So I just select and delete the drop down. So imagine this one is a students attendance details or students fees details. So I just choose some students fees, whether paid or not. I just want to create a new drop down. So what I have to do here, so I just keep the cursor on the top of the cursor in my table. Just go to insert and drop down and you will find option called new drop down. Just hit the button new drop down. You will get a template name configuration. So fees status. So I have given here option 1. I just choose paid. So I just give for the green color. So not paid. So I can give some red color and scholarship. So I can give some kind of blue color. So I don't want option 4. I just click here for the delete. I don't want option 3. I can delete. I just want to add 5 more options or 10 more options. I can click new options. So to create. So I can give the customized color. I can move from where to here. So this moving option you can have. So you can have the template over here. Just click here for the save option. Your detail will be added here, whether Alex Anthony's paid, not, or scholarship you can give according to my need. So I just click here for the insert and go to drop down. I can find out here the fee status. Just I select a fee status, whether it's paid, scholarship, or any other things. I can add and access these options. So similarly, you can create your entire insert and go to your drop down option and you can select the fee status for everyone. So you can access whether it's paid, not paid, or scholarship. You can give according to your need. So this kind of drop down is given from the Google Docs to create a different kind of documents purpose for your project. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.